Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be doing Merch by Amazon update number 55. Alright, so in these Merch by Amazon update videos, these are videos where I do updates on our whole Merch by Amazon journey. Now, it has evolved because it started off with Merch by Amazon and then it just went into print on demand. So I give you updates on our Redbubble store and our Etsy store as well. So Black Friday just happened and we're in Q4 and it's happening. It's all happening. The sales are starting to kick in, and on Merch by Amazon, we're hitting about 13 to 20 shirt sales per day. And all of our shirts are at the $19.99 price point. For those of you guys who don't know, we actually have two Merch by Amazon accounts, and we have sort of like the main one and then the second one. And the second one, when we created that, we decided we're only going to put seasonal designs on that account. And on the first one, which is the main one, we're going to put like the evergreen designs that can sell all year round. They don't have a particular theme attached to a season. So in the second account, we have like all the seasonal holiday type shirts. And right now, like our Christmas designs are doing really well. We have a lot of like religious type shirts, Christmas shirts, shirts for Hanukkah, funny Santa Claus shirts. And I find that this Christmas season, like this holiday, does better than any other type holiday, like better than Halloween. We barely sell any Halloween type shirts, and better than Thanksgiving. We sell a little bit more than Halloween, but Christmas and Hanukkah and this whole season right now does the best for us. So our Redbubble account is at 8 to 15 sales per day, and that is a mixture of a whole variety of items. So it's like stickers, t-shirts, hoodies, cell phone cases, notebooks, greeting cards. It's really cool to know that someone created a greeting card out of our design and they're going to give it to someone this season. Like, that's really nice to know that someone's actually doing that. Etsy sales are happening every other day, and the cool thing is that when we do get an Etsy sale, they're typically ordering more than one shirt. So it's like 2 to 3 shirts per order. And right now we only have shirts. We don't have mugs or anything like that. We just have Bella and Canvas type t-shirts. And we have them for women's, men's, and children. If someone messages us asking like a particular type of shirt, or they want it in this size and we might not have offered that size, then we actually do create custom listings if a customer is saying like, oh, I'll buy it if you create it. So even though, you know, we're not getting daily sales on Etsy, it's cool because we actually get much higher profit on per shirt with Etsy and Printful than we do on Merch by Amazon and on Redbubble. So we're actually making more per order because we get around $10 to $12 profit per t-shirt. On Etsy, we're also running free shipping right now for customers in the United States to help attract more people to our store. And I'm excited for Amazon because on November 1st, they released an announcement in the dashboard addressing the whole December Q4 season. So if you've been in merch for a bit, you know that when it hits December, things start to ramp up, but then Amazon for the last 2 years, they ghost listings, which means they make the listings not available to be seen by the customers. They'll stop, like they'll cut off orders going into a shirt because they can't handle it. And they mainly do all this stuff because they're so bombarded with orders that they can't handle all of this. So they just kind of freeze everything. And then they make it so that we can't upload, and then people can't get tiered up, and just everything gets frozen. And that's happened the last 2 years. So I was fully anticipating this to happen again, but they sent out a message in the dashboard addressing this exact concern. And they were saying that they have no intention of doing any of that kind of stuff, of freezing all of us, not letting us upload, taking down our listings. Like, they have no intention of doing that. So that's really exciting to hear, because that means, and I'm hoping that this is true, that they are prepared for the bombardment of orders that they're going to be getting this season. So I guess they're saying that they're ready this year, and that is going to be good for us if they are ready. Because whenever they do that, whenever they do the freeze thing, it obviously cuts off everybody's sales because they can't handle it, so they have to shut down everything. I'm also going to be running ads on certain shirts, so I'll keep you updated on my progress with that as well. How is the Q4 season going for you guys? Are you guys making any sales on shirts? How's it going for all the platforms? Merch by Amazon, Redbubble, Etsy, if you're on any other platforms. Let me know in the comments section down below. Alright guys, well that is it for this video. That is the update, and that is what is happening with us. I'm just uploading like crazy. Arit is retweaking Etsy, uploading on there. Maria is uploading on Redbubble as well, and that's pretty much what we're doing right now. Alright guys, well thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Back from the dead.